Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Viber from your mobile device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate the Viber app on your mobile device. You can usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer depending on how you've organized your apps. Once you spot the Viber icon, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now press and hold on the Viber app icon. After holding it for a moment, you'll notice a menu will pop up with several options. This menu gives you quick access to various app-related actions, making it easy to manage your applications directly from the home screen. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on App Info. This option will take you into the detailed settings page for Viber, where you can see information about the app's storage, permissions, and other technical details. More importantly, this is where you'll find the option to remove the app from your device completely. Once you're on the App Info page, you'll see various options related to Viber. Look for the Uninstall button and tap on it. This button is typically located near the top of the screen and is clearly labeled, so it should be easy to spot. Tapping this initiates the uninstall process for the app. After tapping Uninstall, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions, as your device wants to make sure you really want to remove the app. The message will ask you to confirm that you want to uninstall Viber. Go ahead and tap Uninstall once more to confirm your decision. And that's it. Viber has now been successfully removed from your mobile device. The app and all its data will be cleared from your phone, freeing up storage space and removing it from your app list entirely. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.